Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an intriguing topic to explore: the origin of 10 popular diseases and the countries where they first emerged. Join us on this informative journey through history as we uncover the origins of these illnesses and their impact on the world. Let's dive right in. Our first disease on the list is the bubonic plague, also known as the Black Death. It originated in China during the 14th century and is believed to have been transmitted through fleas that infested black rats, which were common on trade ships. The disease quickly spread along trade routes to Europe, Africa, and the Middle East, causing one of the deadliest pandemics in human history. The Black Death led to the deaths of millions of people, devastating communities, and altering the course of history. Cholera, a severe diarrheal disease, is caused by the bacterium Vibrio cholerae. It is believed to have emerged in the Indian subcontinent in the early 19th century. The first cholera pandemic originated in Bengal, India, and it rapidly spread through contaminated water sources and trade routes to other parts of the world. Cholera outbreaks have occurred periodically since then, leading to significant morbidity and mortality, especially in areas with poor sanitation and limited access to clean water. Influenza, commonly known as the flu, is a highly contagious respiratory illness caused by influenza viruses. While the flu has likely been present in humans for centuries, the H1N1 strain, responsible for the Spanish flu pandemic of 1918, is believed to have originated in the United States. The Spanish flu pandemic infected approximately one-third of the world's population and resulted in tens of millions of deaths, making it one of the deadliest pandemics in history. HIV/AIDS, a devastating viral disease, is thought to have originated in Central Africa, possibly as early as the late 19th century. The virus is believed to have been transmitted to humans from primates. HIV attacks the immune system, leaving the infected individual vulnerable to other infections and diseases. The virus later became a global epidemic, affecting millions of lives worldwide. The HIV/AIDS pandemic has led to significant social, economic, and public health challenges, with ongoing efforts to combat the spread and improve treatment and prevention. The Ebola virus was first identified in 1976 in what is now the Democratic Republic of the Congo. The virus is believed to have originated in bats and is transmitted to humans through contact with infected animals or other infected individuals. Ebola outbreaks have occurred sporadically in several African countries, with varying degrees of severity. The disease's high mortality rate and the potential for rapid spread have made it a public health concern. Severe acute respiratory syndrome emerged in Guangdong, China, in 2002. The virus responsible for SARS is believed to have been transmitted from bats to humans, possibly through intermediate animals like civets. SARS caused a global outbreak, with cases reported in multiple countries. It prompted international cooperation and surveillance to control its spread, leading to its containment by mid-2003. Zika virus was initially identified in 1947 in the Zika forest of Uganda. The primary mode of transmission is through Aedes mosquitoes, which also transmit dengue and chikungunya viruses. While Zika outbreaks had occurred in various regions since its discovery, the significant concern arose in recent years when the virus was linked to severe birth defects in babies born to infected mothers. Outbreaks in the Americas raised awareness and highlighted the importance of mosquito control and preventive measures. Middle East respiratory syndrome was first reported in Saudi Arabia in 2012. The virus responsible for MERS is believed to have been transmitted from camels to humans. MERS causes severe respiratory illness and has a relatively high mortality rate. While the majority of cases have been reported in the Middle East, MERS has also been detected in other regions through travel-related cases. Lassa fever, caused by the Lassa virus, was first identified in Nigeria in 1969. The virus is primarily transmitted to humans through contact with rodents or their excreta. Lassa fever is an endemic disease in West Africa, particularly in countries like Nigeria, Sierra Leone, and Liberia. Outbreaks of Lassa fever occur annually, with varying levels of severity and impact on public health. Lastly, we have COVID-19, caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus, which originated in Wuhan, China, in late 2019. The virus is believed to have originated in bats and may have been transmitted to humans through an intermediate animal host. This ongoing pandemic has drastically impacted the world, changing our daily lives and the way we perceive health and hygiene. Efforts to control the spread of COVID-19 have included vaccination campaigns, travel restrictions, and widespread public health measures. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and stay informed.